It's Wednesday. Welcome to our Wednesday Wellness Tip. So today we're back to a physical tip. And I'd like to talk about the importance of restorative sleep. Now I know my mom is probably going to watch this at some point and she's going to say, Kim, this is one area that you don't practice what you preach. And so, we all have our issues that we work on. And I'm constantly improving this area of my life because I'm very goal driven, and so commonly I stay up late to make sure I have all my treatment plans finished for the next day. So I don't get a lot of sleep during the week, but the sleep that I do get, I sleep very soundly. So let's talk about how you can make sure that you get restorative sleep. So when you have problems falling asleep or staying asleep, this can happen because of excessive stress or adrenal issues or hormonal issues. So it's important that those underlying issues are addressed. And then beyond that, there's several things you can do to make sure that you get a good amount of restorative sleep. So first of all, make sure that you limit how much caffeine you drink, because caffeine, of course, is a stimulant. So decrease your caffeine, or at least stop any caffeine intake after 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. This can help immensely. Also, try to avoid doing anything upsetting or watching anything upsetting before you go to bed. So in other words, for many people, this means don't watch the news just before you go to bed. Because a lot of that, is very negative. So you don't want to go to bed with all that angst and worry from the news. Other things you can do, drink a cup of chamomile tea or lavender tea, some kind of caffeine-free or herbal tea. That can be very relaxing and help your body and your mind to relax. When you're ready to go to bed, if you still find that your mind is going in many directions, sometimes it's helpful just to write down all the things that are in your mind so you can kind of clear your mind of any emotions or stress or worry so that you can relax and go to sleep. You may write down the 5 best things that happened to you that day. Or you may write down something amusing that happened. Be sure to make your bedroom an electronic-free zone. So in other words, don't have your cell phone in your bedroom. Don't have a TV on in your bedroom. This is important so that you can, again, relax and go to sleep. Make sure your bedroom is dark, because that stimulates melatonin, which is the hormone that helps us sleep. Now, if you still have problems, even after doing some of those things, I have a couple ideas. First of all, and this is one that I really like, every night before I go to bed, I take 2 of the Krebs magnesium potassium chelates. The magnesium just helps my body to relax, and I go to sleep right away. Another good supplement is called ProSom. This is, again, a supplement that has magnesium, L-theanine, magnolia. So this is a good sleep aid. If you need more than that, there's another one called ProThrivers Wellness for Sleep that has L-theanine and magnolia, but also includes melatonin. So these are things that can help you just relax and go to sleep. If you notice that when you lay down, you feel wired and tired, sometimes that can be a cortisol issue. And with excessive stress, if your cortisol gets out of balance, your cortisol starts spiking at night when it should spike in the morning to help you have energy to get up out of bed. So if that cortisol gets off, another great supplement is Cortisol Manager. So this helps to rebalance that cortisol level so that you can not only go to sleep, but stay asleep all night. So these are things that you can do to help get that restorative sleep. And lastly, I like to track my sleep on my Fitbit because I like to see, how much deep sleep or REM sleep I get. So this has been real helpful because I've been able to observe a few patterns in that sleep cycle. So those are tips to help you get the best restorative sleep because it really makes a difference in our overall wellness.